Welcome back to English Learning. Before starting the video, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please click on the subscribe button and bell icon to get all the latest updates. Also follow me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. In this video, I have given examples of narrative essay writing. Through these examples, you will get to know how to write these types of essays. Also, if you don't know the meaning of narrative essays, then check out the full video in which I had explained the meaning of all the types of essays. Link is in the description box. The question is, you have been living in your ancestral house since your birth. The house is acquired by the government because the Delhi Metro line has to pass from there. Narrate the incidents and describe your feelings about moving out of this house. इसका मतलब ये है कि आप अपने पुराने घर पे रह रहे थे जब से आपका बर्थ हुआ है तब से, बट अब आपका घर जो है वो गवर्नमेंट ने एक्वायर कर लिया है क्योंकि उस एरिया में दिल्ली मेट्रो लाइन शुरू होनी है। तो आपको पूरा इंसिडेंट्स नरेट करना है और अपनी फीलिंग्स डिस्क्राइब करनी है कि आप घर से निकल रहे हो तो आपको कैसे फील हो रहा है। सो लेट्स बिगिन। द हेडिंग इज़ लीविंग मेमोरीज बिहाइंड। My grandfather came from Punjab in 1947 with his parents in return for the land that he had left behind there. He had been allotted some property in New Delhi. Here, over 4 years, he built for his family a lovely new house. Until last week, it was the only home I had ever known, and now it is to be demolished. Over the last few years, sweeping changes have taken place in Delhi with the advent of the Delhi Metro. The very geography of the city has been altered. Suddenly, it has become possible to get from one end of the city to the other in just over an hour, and that too in air conditioned comfort. As time goes by, the spread of the metro is only slated to expand. It will soon cut through entirely new localities and neighborhoods as it makes it easier than ever before to get from place to place in the city. Unfortunately, my ancestral house happens to be in one of those neighborhoods. Our house happened to be right where a new line of the Delhi Metro was supposed to be. Since it was, of course, impossible for both to simultaneously occupy the space, the house had to go. The government bought it from us for a princely sum, and while this allowed us to buy another house elsewhere, it could do nothing to alleviate the pain we felt at shifting out. That we were in some small way assisting the growth of public transportation in the city was no consolation at all. As we packed our belongings and began moving our luggage out, there was no one who was not crying a little bit. 4 generations of my family had lived in this house, and it was suffused with the memories of all the time we had spent here. I myself had grown up in its various rooms, corridors, and gardens, and was heartbroken at the thought that very soon it would cease to even exist. Still, a new house meant new rooms and a new neighborhood to explore, and that was a heartening thought for the time being. Next question is, your father is an avid traveler and loves to seek new experiences. Narrate your experiences of one special trip that you took along with your father. मतलब आपके फादर को ट्रैवलिंग का बहुत शौक है और न्यू एक्सपीरियंसेस का भी। तो आप अपने फादर के साथ स्पेशल ट्रिप पे गए हो तो आपको उस ट्रिप का अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना है, नरेट करना है। लेट्स बिगिन। Heading is A Trip to Remember. Traveling has been my father's long-time passion. He finds exploring unfamiliar places, meeting new people, and getting to know different cultures exceptionally inspiring. Therefore, by the age of 12, I had already been to many exotic places: Turkey, Thailand, Japan, Egypt, Malaysia, New Zealand, and Australia. Recently, my father had to go to Ukraine for work. He wanted to take us with him, and since my younger brother and I had holidays during that period, the whole family went for the trip. I did not know what to expect from Ukraine since I knew little about it, but somehow I knew that it would be an intriguing experience due to the spontaneous nature of my travel. Ukraine turned out to be completely different from any place I had visited so far. Kiev, the capital city, appeared unexpectedly well groomed, green, and wealthy. Lots of bridges across the Dnieper River, a large number of outstanding parks, a couple of botanical gardens, and flowers everywhere you go. The Carpathian Mountains in western Ukraine are precious and authentic, with small distant villages and little country houses that seem like modern progress will never reach them. The people of western Ukraine amazed me as well, especially the elderly, amiable, positive, and active. The city itself seemed to me to be still Soviet like in its spirit and atmosphere. So it was quite interesting to take photos of their famous dam with the huge Lenin statue pointing at it, and the factories that were once the pride of the USSR and amazingly still successfully functioning for export purposes nowadays. Ukraine was a true discovery for me. And one of those times when your expectations are nothing like what you see. If you should ask me what place I can recommend to those avid and blazed travelers who seem to have seen it all, I would say without a second of hesitation, go to Ukraine. Whatever you will expect, this will still amaze and astonish you. So, this was all about the solved examples of narrative essay. I hope it is clear. I will give examples of some other type of essay in my next video. So till then stay tuned and please subscribe to my channel and also add me on Instagram. My Insta ID is English Learning 1205. Also if you want to suggest some topics then you can DM me on Instagram or email me. Each and every detail is given in the description box. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.